Hello everyone, this is Starfish Pokemon. Today I'm going to be doing a video with Scarlet. Today I have her new cat toy. You may recognize this fish from The Simpsons. And I can mess with Scarlet with this little toy here. And this toy came with this little fish here. And this Bart Simpson fish thing. With Bart Simpson trying to catch a fish on there. But it's a cat toy. My cat is definitely going insane for this. Come here, Scarlet. Come on, kitty. On the bed. Come here, Scarlet. Scarlet, come on, kitty. Baby girl. Come here. Want the toy? Want the fish? Scarlet. And this toy has a little bell on it. So that's what you're hearing in the dinging. Come here. My little Scarlet Rose just absolutely love this little fish toy. She goes insane for this toy, and if you have a cat, they obviously love this toy as well. If your cat is into toys, I want to be getting this cat for a cat who doesn't love to play. You know, so fill this cat toy with catnip. So if you want to cut down on catnip, or you don't want your cat to have too much catnip, you can fill this toy with catnip on a little hole right here on the bottom of the toy. This is my baby Scarlet Rose. Yeah, but there's a little hole right here where you can fill with catnip. Yeah, she's gonna run off. Come here. Come here. She just loves this toy very much, so now that I'm guessing she's getting tired now. Yeah. But that's little Scarlet Rose. She's tired, and shout out to all my friends at school. And thanks for watching. Bye.